everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to order in Shopee. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's proceed further. In order to order a product on Shopee, go click open a web browser. In the URL box, type in shopee.com and search. You'll end up in the official website. Shopee is available for certain countries only. It will be displayed on the screen. Choose your country where you belong to and click it on. You can choose to translate the page to English as well. Click on English to do so. And if you don't have an account yet, you'll need to go and click on the register button. But if you do, click on in between at the upper right. Now log into your account with your phone number, username or your email and your password. Once you're signed into your account, to order for products on Shopee, go ahead and click on any categories from where you'd like to shop. Let me go ahead and click on any one category that I'd like to buy a product from. Let me go to health and beauty. Select any product that you'd like to order. You can also sort your product list by popular, last, highlighted, or even price range. Once you select the product that you'd like to buy, click it on. Now you can go ahead and check your product details from this page. View the pictures that are related to the product. Select the amount that you'd like to buy and click on buy now if you'd like to quickly order the product. But if you'd like to shop for more, click on add to cart and the product will be added to your shopping cart. Now go ahead and make some more purchases if you'd like and click on buy now. Once you're sure you'd like to order the product, you can go ahead and click on this product. If you have a coupon or a code, you can simply go ahead and enter it right here by selecting this link and click on continue. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter your information. Type in your full name, your phone number, enter your zip code, type in the name of your street and your street number. If you have anything extra to tell before ordering your product, go ahead and type it in. Select whether you'd like to mention the location that you just typed in as your house location or your work location and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you'll be able to order a product on Shopee. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.